Understanding waves rolling in. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a picturesque expression of the English language: waves rolling in. This phrase often paints a vivid image in our minds, but it's not just about the ocean. Let's explore its depths together and see how it's used in various contexts. Ready to ride the wave of learning? Let's get started. Waves rolling in literally describes the motion of waves as they approach and break on the shore. Imagine standing on a beach, watching the water. Each wave travels towards the land, grows in height, and then gracefully collapses onto the sand or rocks. This continuous, rhythmic motion is what we refer to as waves rolling in. It's a natural, calming sight, often associated with the tranquility and immense power of the sea. In a figurative sense, waves rolling in can symbolize the arrival of events or emotions in a continuous, sometimes overwhelming manner. Just like waves don't stop coming, these situations or feelings can seem endless and persistent. For example, if someone says, "I've got work waves rolling in," they might mean they have a continuous flow of tasks coming their way, without much break in between. In literature and music, waves rolling in is often used to set a scene or evoke specific emotions. Writers and lyricists might use this phrase to draw readers or listeners into a serene, contemplative, or sometimes melancholic mood. The imagery of waves can also symbolize change or the passage of time, with each wave bringing something new or taking something away. When using waves rolling in, think about the context. 1. Descriptive writing. Use it to describe scenes or moments in nature, to add a sensory experience to your narrative. 2. Metaphorical expression. Employ it figuratively to convey the ongoing nature of events, tasks, or emotions. 3. Poetic language. In poetry or songwriting, use it to evoke moods, themes of change, or the passage of time. The phrase, "waves rolling in," carries with it the beauty and persistence of nature, and it's versatile in both literal and figurative speech. Whether you're describing the serene sea or the unending flow of life's challenges, this phrase can enrich your language and help paint a vivid picture for your audience. We hope this journey through the rolling waves of language has been enlightening. Keep exploring and enjoying the beauty of English expressions.